to do the rehearsal for our assembly, right? And we are going to do a TV show, right, about cooking. And today we will do the commercials, right? The funny one. Our assembly is about cooking and writing. It looks like crazy, I know, but mixing these two things was the best idea we had. After finding out how good we were in many things and of course how to teach other people about that, we decided to make a TV show. But not a common TV show, a really funny one. We are sure you'll enjoy it a lot. Have fun! Do you think your parents is gonna like it?
Yes!
I'm sure they will like it because it will be very, very funny, okay?
Yes!
Our group decided that we're gonna do sweet milk powder because it's a sweet food that the people gonna like, and we chose this food because it's a simple and delicious food.
Did you ever drink a chocolate milk?
Yes, of course!
But I think that you never drink this one.
What do you mean?
I said it was really super transformer. It's just $10 in the supermarket.
Our group decided to do wrap 10 sandwich because it is a salty recipe. It should be done. We chose it because we wanted to show to all the children that they can do it by themselves.
Oh no, my t-shirt got dirt. What do you do? It's your favorite group, this. And it's hard to clean. Don't matter, Mom. You have the white cleaner. Just put in the t-shirt and wash. Ta-da! See? Shiny, bright, sparkling.
Buy the white cleaner. It's very good. $1 in the supermarket.
Welcome to Mapleberry Junior's Cooking!
Good morning. Today we will teach you how to do a wrap 10 sandwich. The ingredients are wrap 10, cream cheese, ham, tomatoes, and lettuce.
The directions are: first, open the wrap 10, then put the cream cheese in the wrap 10, then add the cheese and the ham in the wrap 10, then add the lettuce and the tomatoes, roll the wrap 10, then cut it.
Now we are going to our break.
Did you ever drink a chocolate milk?
Yes, of course!
But I think that you never drink this one. Stay really strong. It's a super transformer. Just $10 in the supermarket.
It's done!
Good morning. Today we're gonna show you how to do a sweet milk powder.
The ingredients are
1 spoon of Nescau, 3 spoons of leite ninho, 3 spoons of sugar, and water,
and a deep bowl.
and a candy mold.
The directions are: first put all the dry ingredients inside a deep bowl. Then mix all the things with the water. Then make
balls and it's done.
Put on the decorate
And it's done.
and you can eat.
Now let's go to our break again.
Oh no, my t-shirt got dirt.
I can't believe! What did you do with your white t-shirt? Oh my god, now how can I take this out?
No matter what, you have the white cleaner. Just put in the t-shirt and wash. Then it's shiny, bright, sparkling.